Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Evan Gray here at Sanger at the Superstore. Since we're at the Superstore, it takes two of us, so I got a friend with me.
My name's Emily, and we are showing off the 3100 RD Grand Design Imagine series today.
Oh yeah, guys, it's full of adventures and it's full of fun. It takes two of us because in this 3100 RD, you get this huge rear dining area, living area. So it takes two of us. As you can clearly see, we can both sit down easily with no problem in this area. You can entertain all type of friends and family when you have them come over in this particular unit. As you can see here, we got this huge 50-something inch TV. Gosh, it is huge. You can watch that thing all the way from out there. Emily, what do you got over there?
So we've got a bunch of storage on either side of the fireplace here, right below the TV. We've got this nice large size fireplace, and right above it we've got a little bit of extra storage to keep any, DVDs or cable boxes or anything of that nature. Right above here we're also going to have some extra storage on either side.
And as you guys can see, after looking at all that storage up there, we also have enough room to fit everybody to sleep comfortably. This folds out to a full reclining actual bed, and this one pulls out as well as a nice bed. And then also, when there's no one else here to entertain or have sleep, as you can see what Emily's doing.
So right here we actually have the Thomas Paine entertainment couches. These actually heat, massage, and lift out to a recliner. You also have a lot of nice storage right here in this area for any TV remotes or anything of that nature. Let's go ahead and move to the kitchen.
As you guys can see in the kitchen here, we have the 3-burner cooktop stove. So you guys can use all these islands here, all this prep space, but you got 3 burners here. Also, you get a nice stove, which is very convenient, throwing your little roast in there. Also, it comes with a microwave. One thing that is nice about this unit, you also have an exhaust fan. This exhaust fan does get all that smoke and that cooking smell out, and it actually vents outside. Emily, what do you have there?
So this is a super nice feature in this. We have a really nice large pantry area that has the motion activated light.
Oh wow.
So anytime you want to store your things, you can also have that light on, afterwards. If you missed anything, you can look through this nice window here and grab that as needed. This kitchen also offers a ton of storage for pots and pans, plates, silverware, anything of that nature. Up here you got lots of storage for your cups, glassware, and anything like that.
That is real nice. We also have this 12-volt refrigerator, guys. It's going to give you plenty of space to store your food, keep it nice and cold. With that solar on top, it will keep it cold going down the road, which is very convenient. You can keep all your stuff nice and cold the whole way down the road while you guys are getting there. Also, we got this nice residential style fixture here. This also rolls back here, which makes it real nice. If you want a farmhouse sink, you got it. But if you don't and you want to have a little bit of half and half, you get better both worlds here, okay? Also, you get the little area where you can throw your rags there when you're washing, but you also get a ton of storage as well, as you can clearly see. You guys get a whole bunch of prep space here and there. You get all this cabinetry space.
And I just absolutely love the counter space over there. You can use that counter space for your coffee pot or anything that you use plugging in, maybe a juicer or a stand-up mixer.
Absolutely. I mean, she's talking about counter space. Let's go ahead and add additional counter space. Boom, just like that. We just added some more additional counter space. That makes it very convenient. It gets out the way when you need it, but there when you want it. Gotta love that.
Perfect. Also, this function here is so nice for people that just, can't stand that dinette thing. This also has movable chairs, so in case you guys have any, extra people that you're entertaining that just can't fit in this area over here, you're more than welcome to take these chairs anywhere throughout the coach and use them as needed.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen a lot of my customers want to do things as far as working from home. Throw your laptop down, watch TV. You also have your USB plugs and electrical plugs here. This will be a great convenience for you to set up your home office if need be, guys. And as we transition through this area, we're going to take you back to the bathroom and also the master living area. All right, guys, as we move through the hallway here, we're getting ready to take a tour of the bathroom. But as you can see, we have plenty of space for both of us to stand here. But I wanted to show you the control panel here, guys. This is going to be your control panel. It's going to control your slides, your awnings. It's going to also have your tank fields. Everything that you need to know and indicate will be right here. Also, your Furrion gas heater water here, right here. It's going to control the temperature. All that on the demand water heating is going to happen right here. Also, your thermostat as well. You're going to have that there for your air conditioner. And then Emily's going to take you guys into the bathroom here and show you how spacious it is.
So we've got this nice middle style bathroom here. Just for reference, I'm 5'9", and I can fit in this shower perfectly. We've got a nice tall shower head. We've got our nice fixtures here that also match every other fixture in the coach. Here above we have our storage for hand towels or any type of toiletries that you may need to store while going down the road or staying. Here's some more storage behind the mirror here, and a little bit of extra. This one also will come with the toilet paper holder, which is super nice. I absolutely love the stainless steel fixtures that they have put throughout the coach. The nice matte black fixtures are very modern and unique. It also gives you a bunch of storage here for towels if you'd like to roll them up and store them there. That way, you know, they're just not in your way. Down here, we've got a little bit of extra storage for anything that you may feel the need to fit in there. I love that they have drawers. That way you can store anything that doesn't fit in the other areas. So they're all going to be about the same size. You also have some electrical plugs here as well. That way if you need to use your blow dryers or, you know, electric shaver or anything like that in the restroom, that's super nice. So this is also going to be a nice porcelain toilet here. Very sturdy. You're also going to have one of your heater ducts in here as well. So in the winter time, whenever you guys, you know, are freshly getting out of the shower, you can keep warm and all of that good stuff. You also get this nice black fixture that matches all the other fixtures in this restroom to hang your towels after a shower.
Hey, Emily, you didn't tell them about the best part. Look at this right here. I can just shut her out with that sliding door just like that when she's in there doing her thing. Ain't that great? I mean, you gotta love the sliding doors. It's not like the typical doors that swing open. I love the sliding feature. Guys, come on back here to the where the magic happens here. This is where you would sleep for yourself. Your party, your friends are out there, but you're going to get all this storage, guys. I love the storage they have on the side. They have the hanging storage closets here on the side. This is going to be more than enough room for your wardrobe. They have it on the same side as Emily over there, which makes it very convenient. I also love the reading lights that they have with this unit. You can change it to blue. You can change it to white, so depending on what you're trying to do. Also, we have this great cubby area here. It's going to have your actual plug-ins for your phone, and you can actually plug up a CPAP machine or whatever you need, guys, when you guys are sleeping in your kingdom. Oh, wow. There's more storage. I can't believe it. It's everywhere. So, guys, I mean, you will be able to pack whatever you need to hit the road. And, I mean, this is a lot of hanging storage. You don't see that in a lot of coaches. Grand Design always does it well, and once again they hit the mark. What do you got over there? Thank you.
So this is actually going to be a camper queen here.
It is.
It is going to be able to sleep you and any other person that you'd like to take with you, aside from our pull-out beds in the living area.
Absolutely. You also have your TV prepped area here. It is pre-wired for cable and satellite, guys. Hang your TV here, mount it however you want. Get that angle you guys like and enjoy yourself going down the road. And once again, we got another fun feature. Has that sliding door again here, which makes it convenient to cut everything off. It's just a sliding door. We love that. Makes it feel real modern, and I really enjoy it. You also have your own AC control back here, so you can keep it nice and cool at night for you and your family just back here.
Alrighty, so now we're on the exterior of this coach here, and we've got the nice upgraded staircase here. A lot of people love this. Not all campers have this. Also, we've got the nice exterior entertainment system out here. We've got your speakers, and right over by Evan, we also have that cable connect and GCFI outlets.
Gotta love it. The main thing I love about this space are the rims. Look at them rims. Those things are shining. Those are all aluminum. They are great, guys. That's going to be my high point about this unit. And it's dual axle, guys. So that is going to give you a little bit of stability going down the road. You got dual axle and you're blinging. Gotta love it. Come on around the back. Let me show you what else we got.
Wait, Evan, let's not forget about the nice awning we've got here. This awning here is very, very nice. It covers almost from the front to the back, excluding the slide here. You can also pull down here and it will let you let off any rain or anything like that when the weather allows. Super nice.
Wow.
Let's head on to the back.
That is nice. You're right. I did forget that. Thank you, Emily. Also around the back, guys, as you can clearly see, we have a spare tire. We also have the walkable ladder here. You're able to access your roof. Also up here, you're already prepped for a backup camera. You want to see what's going on behind you down the road? That prep is already ready to go. You got 50 amp of service here. A lot of people like that. You ain't popping no fuses with 50 amp of service, guys.
Don't forget about your spare tire, Evan.
Yes.
We've got this nice spare tire here in case you ever have a blowout or anything of that nature.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. And as we come around here, guys, I know I told you guys earlier inside when you're cooking that food and you got those smells going on, that's where it's going to ventilate out. Like I said, you got a true ventilation system above your kitchen, and that way you can get all those smells out there. Also, you have your Furrion, like I told you guys, the hot water tank there. You got a little outside light on this side for you can see yourself. You can see what's going on if you guys are down there trying to get your dump tank and stuff done at night. And you guys are trying to take everything away. You can see what's going on. As you can see right here, we got also the station here. This is going to be a complete pass-through, as you can see there. Also, what makes it nice, you have an outdoor shower. Oh, there's Emily. A complete pass-through, guys. So this is going to be your command center. You're going to be able to hook up all your cable, all your stuff here, on and off switch, your shower, and also you have this little pop-up top where you can run everything through the bottom, which makes it very convenient so you can keep this door shut, guys.
Once again, thank you so much for joining us out here at the Sanger location. This is the Imagine Grand Design 3100 RD. My name's Emily.
And I'm Evan, guys. Please stop at any of our locations. We have 4 other locations: Fort Worth, Rockwall, Denton, and OKC.
Thanks a lot.